Welcome. Today, we are going to show you a basic demonstration about Digital Docu Share, or DDS, a document management system developed by N-PAX Cebu Corporation, that is designed to fit with ISO documentation standards. Here today, you will get a glimpse on its different functionalities and features. DDS manages and controls ISO documents, training records, and data records. For ISO documents, controls and authorizations are being added in uploading, editing, viewing, publishing and printing. These documents are controlled within the system through a configurable setup. Documents can undergo a series of checks and approvals and even trainings if required. Document locking for editing also provides additional security to prevent simultaneous edit and keeping published documents updated. Documents with different set of security can be configured in the system easily, and ease of access or preview for multiple user setup. Document crawling feature is also embedded to enable faster searching of documents even on its contents. For ISO training records, users can set documents that requires training before a user gets to have an access to view a specific document. You can assign specific facilitator, create a training schedule and monitor the attendance of the conducted training too. Users will be prohibited to view documents that requires training if he or she has not been trained yet. For data records, system will allow easy storing of records per published documents at any point in time, storing it in a centralized area where users can easily navigate with its document assignment. Monitoring of completeness of the records can be done easily. In this screen, you will see the N-Expert One Enterprise login. Here allows you to input your user ID and your password to access the system. Different profile configuration is also allowed, especially for large companies. For example, setting up a system for a mother company that needs separation of data from its sub-companies. With multi-profiling, using a single system, you may switch from different profile per company that you desire to access. As soon as you have entered the system, you will be redirected to a customized dashboard landing page. In the dashboard, you will see basic charts. First chart is the pending actions chart, which contains all of your to-do list. If you will be assigned as one of the signatories, either reviewer, approver, or depending on the setup being made on each type of document, you will get to know which needs your immediate attention right away. Second chart at the bottom is the pending uploads chart. This contains all of your documents that you personally uploaded into the system. You will get to see in what state the document that you have uploaded is in. To create a new document type, simply click on the menu button located at the upper left of the screen. Locate the transaction control group and click on the document type master button. As soon as the module is loaded, click on the new button located above. This will prompt an entry screen for you to fill in. All marked with a red asterisk is required to have a value. A document type can be marked as to required a training or not. Also, you can optionally add a default storing path for every document uploaded with this type. You may also configure the prefix nomenclature of the document that will be saved. There are 6 levels of configurable default signatories you can assign. Each signatory can set a lead time on how long should each process must be made. This will be used to monitor which documents are worked on time, through the dashboard charts available. Once the entry form is filled in, you may click on the Save button to save the changes. You will see the newly added document type on the grid afterwards. To create a library or a directory, simply find the library master located at the sidebar module list. In this example, there are already libraries being created. You may choose to create your own directory list based on your company organization. To create a new library, select the library or folder in where you want to create a new library to and click on the New button above. The entry screen on the right will be enabled for you to fill in. Name is the folder library name display. Access type is the setting on how the library can be accessed by different users. Type is the setting on whether the library can accept documents to be uploaded or it will be used as a folder group only. Document type restriction, here you may limit which type of documents are allowed to be uploaded in this directory. Owners is the setting where you can define who are allowed to upload or make any changes on that directory. Cost center is the setting where you can define which group of people can view the contents of that directory. There is also a feature where the directory owners can be notified whenever there will be updates on a specific library. He or she will receive push-up notifications whenever new documents will be published on that folder or any updates of the details of that folder or directory. To upload a new document, click on the Document Master module from the sidebar module list. You will see the Document Master screen containing all the directories you are allowed to upload. Now, let's find the new directory we've just created, we named as Security Working Standards. Click the directory and click the New button above. You will find a screen afterwards. Fill in the required fields. Name, the document name you wish to tag the document. Destination, this is pre-populated depending on what directory you have just selected earlier. Type, this is the document type assignment. Only the types that you set on that directory can be seen. Facilitator, if you tag the document as a type where it requires training, this field will be enabled for you to assign the default facilitator. You may wish to add references to existing published documents. In this way, you will know which chain documents needs to be updated once a dependent document gets modified. Also, you can change or add more signatory personnel per level. In this example, the working standard type of document is only configured to have review and approve process. The assigned personnel will be notified and will see on his pending documents chart. On the form template, you may define the dynamic metadata or fields. This will be used whenever a data record will be uploaded for that document. Let's give it a try, and add sample fields. Let's add ID number and badge number for an example. Upload the document you have created by pressing the Select File button. By the time the document is loaded on the screen, you might notice that the preview isn't available. This is because preview in the system is done through PDF format. Once the document is uploaded, you will get to see the PDF as the system converts it automatically upon preview. Let's take a look at the dashboard charts once again to see if the document has been routed to its reviewer. Remember, I have placed myself as part of the reviewer and approver of the document just to demonstrate its routing mechanism. In my pending action chart, I can already see that the employee identification file with control number WS2001 is pending for my review. Double-click the item to preview. Now you will see the PDF conversion of the document, which contains a watermark, draft, to indicate its state as an unpublished file and prevent it from printing and distribution. During the review, you may leave your comments on Review Comments fields and click the Review button. You may also want to cancel the document and system will notify the uploader with your comments. This process goes the same up until it reaches the final level of signatory. In this example, approver gets to publish the document after saving. Let's approve this document and see it gets published in the directory. To verify if the document is already published, you may check again the library which you intend the document be uploaded to. Once you already see the document in the document master, it basically means that the document publishing is already successful and the document is now ready for viewing to other users.